So here we are, Anna and I are at the start of the Loch Ness Glen Affric cycle sportive, right here in Drumnadrochit. How are you feeling?
Nervous.
She's very nervous. There's 1,000 feet of climbing straight off the park. I'm nervous.
Oh, you need to lock the car.
I need to lock the car. So here, come and join us, let's have some fun. On our way to registration at the high school. I forgot my bottle. I bought this in the shop. Where is the bottle? Where's the Rafa bottle?
It must be in the car.
Must be in the car. Oh no.
Better be back.
Better get a bottle. How you feeling? Wave.
So this is hopefully the first of an annual event that will run up either the end of September or the beginning of October. Today, there's only a couple of things I want to warn you about. The first 3 miles are probably the hardest 3 miles, so the last 3 miles are a repeat of that. Just be careful, it is a little bit rocky. It's been already named because we use it in the Glen Affric Highland Games as Puncture Alley, so enjoy. The other thing I want to warn you, say to you is, there's a feed stop at Cannock that you'll pass twice. And the way we've designed the route is you must go into the feed stop. If you don't want to stop, you can just go into the feed stop, get your number taken, turn round and continue on your route.
Thank you. The first 3 miles are the hardest.
And then the last 3.
The last 3. So the first 3 miles are the hardest apparently, and the last 3. So everything in between should be a breeze. Not. Straight out the road and into the gravel. And the fun begins. Well, that's a sad moment. Anne's just really struggling with her asthma, struggling with the hills. Just realised she's maybe not a gravel cyclist in her own words, and she doesn't want to hold me back, which I didn't think she was. But she's going back to the car and she wants me to carry on. So I feel a little bit horrible for carrying on because we came here together, but she really wanted me to keep going, so I'm doing so. And I'll see how far we get on. And it is tough. And we've only just left and climbed a good amount. It's very technical, as you can see, and do it one-handed. Super gravelly. So I'm the last person here at the very back. Hopefully try and catch up a few people. And yeah, I love you, baby. And I'm very proud of you for even trying and getting to the start line. I'm going to drop my camera. Right guys, I'm going to put this down just now. Oof. That's a big hill, and a headwind, and gravel. Woohoo! Aye, aye, aye. That's worth stopping and taking a photo of, I think. Just in case I don't make it. There's Loch Ness over there. These hills are tough. Good job, everyone. Go west, thank you.
Thank you.
So far we've climbed high above Loch Ness, up the hills, up the trails, descended through the beautiful forest. I've actually no idea whereabouts I am, but so good. I'm missing my Annie though, I must admit. There she is! Should really not do my updates going uphill, but I can't do it coming downhill because I need both hands. Well, this is climb 4 of 15 and there's some dark red. And it doesn't look like it, but obviously going up into those trees it's going to get sketchy. I don't know if you can see that. 12% on gravel. Yeesh. So 13.7 miles, 615 metres of elevation so far. I'll have to put the conversions in the text below. An hour and a half. I've done 7 out of 15 climbs though, so surely it's almost halfway climb wise. Yay! Look at this though. Gravel heaven. Tarmac! Hey! I'll take that for a little reprieve. Just been up there somewhere. Everywhere is so well signposted. There's arrows everywhere directing you which way to turn. There's volunteers out cheering you on. I never filmed them last because I was coming downhill and trying to keep myself upright. I'll take this for 5-10 minutes. Thank you, organisers. Don't know if you can hear it, but there's a buzzard just circling above. Not sure what he's doing. Cheer me on. Still on the tarmac. Got another 2 miles before I turn right, so I assume I'm on the tarmac for 2 miles. Well, I've just entered the little hamlet of Canlich, which I believe is our first feed station. There's a car behind trying to get past, so I'll try and pull in a little bit. Glen Affric Holiday Park. And we've got to stop here just to check in. Even if you're only stopping for a minute, you just got to check in, make sure you're all here. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Grab a quick bite. Someone, what kind of sandwich do you want here? Do you want a bit of cake? Not too much. What we've got here. Teacup.
Great little feed station. Everyone's grabbing some cake, some fruit, sandwiches, juice. There's toilets, there's a cafe. Amazing. Now, I know Josh will be disappointed because he likes Coca-Cola and Leonie, but I sent him a message saying this identifies as Coke. Go this way. I think I'm going this way. Feels like I'm back in the Pyrenees. Get a feed stop, straight back into the climbs. But this is 9 of 15, so that's good. Heading towards Glen Affric now, and I don't know if I've ever seen it, and I live in Elgin. This should be interesting and very nice. So I've just climbed out the Pyrenees, and we're just about to turn left back onto an unpaved road. So I guess it's back to gravel. Come on, give those moves going. Cheers. See, you can't beat that pure spirit, encouraging folk on, having a good time while doing it. Love it. Well done, you. "23 miles in, and it's just started to spit. Which isn't too bad considering it's been threatening to rain all morning. But here we are. And since I turned off the road, I've not seen anyone. Kind of doubting I'm on the right track for a second. But I'm following my Garmin and I seem to be going the right way, so here's hoping. I'll be chuffed when I see somebody, because I've been out here for a while myself. I'm going slow, but slow and steady. We're on single track through the forest. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Spooky. I must admit, I wasn't expecting single track trail. I just got a big stone whacked off my leg. Anyway, keep going, this is good fun. Well, it's 1.9 to my next turn, and I wish I knew this area well and I could tell you what's coming, but I can't. So it's just as much a surprise for me as it is for you. Unless you know this area and you can figure out where I am, you maybe can. Yes, more climbing. It's been the theme of today, but I knew that when I signed up. So I can't complain, and I'm not, because it's good fun. I still haven't seen Glen Affric yet. Surely that's got to be nearby. Oh look. Another cyclist. Out the forest, out the gravel, back onto the road for now. So we appear to be on the low ground, following a river to my right. It's quite flat here, which is nice, little reprieve on the tarmac. And I'm not sure if I've got a tailwind, but cruising along quite nicely. 33 miles in, some big climbs to come yet, assuming I finish. So I've just had my second stop at the same feed station as I went round and did a bit of quizzing. And you don't actually see Glen Affric, which I had in my head we did, I don't know why, probably just the name. But you go through the forest leading up to it, but obviously getting there is quite a few miles extra, and I'm not sure the trails are great, but I'm not too sure. So now I'm heading back. Bit of climbing to go yet. Woo. But my legs are feeling fine though, just now. Aye. Climb 14 of 15, 1 mile, average 8%. And it's piddling down. Just came from down there, heading up there. Almost there. It's just long climbs. I think the last one's going to be a killer. But slow and steady, it's all I can do. Desperate to get back to Anne. She's sat in the car, I think. Good fun though. Final climb. I think I'll need this. We're on the final climb. Just under 3 miles to go upward. And then, hopefully, down towards Drumnadrochit. Epic adventure. Highly recommend it. Not 0.2 miles to go, and that looks steep. Watch your bumps. Woohoo! Hey.
How was it?
That was ace. Thank you. Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I was a bit concerned at one point. I thought my legs are getting tired. But then you get a second wind and you know you've hit the last climb.